The tires feel like they're on their last lap. Can you check them out?
Just like my pit crew, I trust the Lexus service team and every genuine part they use. The only thing between you and the road is your tires. They're essential for safety while also improving braking and fuel efficiency. And regular alignments and rotations help keep them wearing evenly. As tread decreases, your tires lose traction, especially in challenging weather and rough conditions, when maximum grip matters most. And your Lexus dealer is the only place where you can find the tires that were specifically designed for your vehicle, helping you experience that driving feel that you had on day one. Proper maintenance equals excellent performance. Visit your local Lexus dealer for all your vehicle needs.
Fresh rubber and confidence. Thanks.